Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to view Eventbrite tickets. To view your Eventbrite tickets, follow these steps. First, log into your Eventbrite website or Eventbrite account by going to eventbrite.com. Log in with your account credentials if prompted. Once logged in, you'll get to the home page. On the home page, click on your profile icon displayed with your email address in the top right corner. And be provided with a drop-down menu that says Browse Events, Manage My Event Tickets, Liked, Following Interest, Account Settings, and Logout. Go ahead and click on Manage My Events. Now, once you click on Manage My Events, that's going to walk you into the Manage My Events window. In the Manage My Events page, go ahead and click on Event in the left-hand navigation menu. So once you do that, it's going to take you to a page where you have all your events listed. Now, choose the event you want to view tickets for by clicking on the event title or the event's name. Once you click on the event title or the name, it's going to take you to the event management dashboard. Once in the event management dashboard, go ahead and click on Others in the left-hand navigation menu. Click on Other Options. Okay, and once you click on that, let's say the Other Confirmation, it's going to show you the list of all ticket orders that are placed for your events. So here you can view and edit other confirmation page. The attendee select after the other. So here you can view and edit the other confirmation page that attendees see after placing the order. But if you want to view the list of all the ticket orders placed for your event and manage the orders, you can head over to Manage Attendees at the left navigation panel. Once you click on that, you can now click on Manage Orders. But this is not done because my ticket has not gone live. So that's why this is not enabled. But once it's enabled, then you can manage orders from there. Now, in the other section, you'll see a list of all that's in this Manage Order section. You see a list of attendees who have purchased tickets for your event. Now, you can filter the orders by order status, completed, cancelled, or by ticket type if multiple ticket types are available. You can click on any individual order to see the specific details, including the number of tickets purchased, the ticket type, and the attendee's contact information. Click on any attendee's order to view more detailed information such as their name, email address, ticket type, and ticket status. If you're an attendee and need to view your own ticket for an event, just click on profile icon. That's if you're an attendee. All right, this is what you're going to do. Head over, click on your profile picture and click on switch to attending, and that's going to take you to the home page itself. So from here, go ahead and click on, okay, that's going to log me in. So go ahead and click on tickets, and once you click on tickets, under the tickets page, you're going to see a list of all the events for which you have purchased tickets. So click on the event to view, download, or resend your tickets. By following the steps, you'll be able to easily view and manage your Eventbrite tickets. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.